Hi.
Hi, thanks for joining us.
Hi.
So it's time to show some software beyond what we've built in labs and beyond internet-connected things. And yeah, you have built something different that we liked, right?
Yes, actually we work on a real product. Our own product, Vivocha, is a real-time customer service tool. So we thought that it was a good idea to come to the hackathon and mash up different API and different tool from YaaS, from Vivocha, and from WebRTC, actually, to create a real-time customer service module for our platform. So let's see what we built. So let's wait for the screen. OK. So what we work on is what we define as a real-time guided customer experience module, meshing up Vivocha and YaaS to allow call center agents to give better information during online shopping. The mashup was done using different API and services, I say, and the outcome is something that we think might improve the experience for online shopper. I think that every time you shop online, might happen that you need a little bit more information. So here we prepare a demo that will show how Gianluca, the customer that is going to buy a new mobile plan, is looking for live support from a video-enabled personal shopper, Marcello, that through the integration will be able to access in real time customer data, cart information, product and order information, the previous history, and getting this real-time profile will be able to recommend product and push coupon to the client. So let's switch to the live demo environment.
Yeah. So what you see on my screen is the Vivocha console. That is the web app tool that a CSR, an agent, can use for managing real-time communication with the online customers. Now Gianluca is starting browsing the website, the storefront. Thanks to the integration with the storefront, when I will become available as an agent, some widgets will appear on the storefront offering options for live help. The console is where we did the mashup with the YaaS APIs, with the Vivocha APIs, in order to provide the agent with the cockpit to help online customers getting information about what the customer has in the cart, who the customer is, and which were the previous orders for this customer and coupons available and so on. So now I put myself available on all the media available, so chat, voice, and video. And you see that two icons appeared on the storefront thanks to the integration with the YaaS and Vivocha.
So let me move on. As I say, I'm interested in a subscription. So I will add this to the cart and go back and ask to the live agent some support to provide me additional product information.
You see that as an agent, I'm getting an incoming chat request, so I can immediately answer and offer immediately a video chat experience to the customers, so that can accept my request.
This is a module based on WebRTC. That is the third component we added to the mashup. So Vivocha API, YaaS API, and the WebRTC components. And so here I have a visual communication that the agents can use to have a more personal touch with the customer.
You see also that I can get some information about the customer I have online thanks to the integration with the YaaS storefront. I can get information about the chat history, so the previous chat made by this customer. But first of all, I can access this cockpit that allow me to get information about the customer, to see what the customers put in the cart, to see previous orders, and I can see the coupons available for the particular product the customer has in the cart.
So let's have a collaborative experience. As I say, I would like to add a mobile handset to my shopping list, and I ask Marcello, the agents, for recommendation. I'm looking for an iPhone that can be bundled with the service.
Yes, Gianluca, I have the product for you. Let me push the right product for you directly on, let me drive you to see the product I can propose you. So I can simply send Gianluca by pushing a link to the right web website page in order to see the product I'm suggesting.
So like in a physical store, the sales clerk can help you guiding to the product. Online, the virtual agents can help me figure out what is the best product. So yes, cool. Let me add it to the cart. So I have the two products in the cart, but Marcello is a little bit too expensive for my monthly budget. Can you do anything for me?
Yes, I can. With this product, I have a particular coupon that I can send you. So please check if this discount is okay for you. So I'm going to push a coupon code directly into the cart.
So you see here again another mashup with the YaaS API. Marcello, the agents get full view about the customer, the cart, the value, and also recommended by the system automatically what may be the maximum discount he can apply in this particular case. So this is what we built during the hackathon. And I mean, the demo is over. We have some other things that we want to add. So some service ticket is something that we will add as a new component very soon to this integration.
Thank you very much. That's a pretty impressive
Thank
result
you.
for a couple of days at the hackathon.
Yeah, I'm still amazed how you managed to do that in 3 days. And prepare a demo in 1 day.
Yeah.
So what we just saw is that you used your own APIs and you used YaaS APIs and you just meshed them up and you integrated it into your tools and you also integrated it into the YaaS storefront template which we provide on GitHub. So
Yeah, actually we worked for 2.5 days, a team of 4 people without knowing YaaS previously. So actually we came into Munich and we start browsing the documentation. It was very easy. As a company that built his own product on OpenAPI was really, really helpful. We think that the future of enterprise software will be a place where you create application in a matter of days, not months or quarters. So this is something really cool, and let's see, a lot will come in the next future.
Yeah, you say days instead of months. So you build quick integrations, but what you also say is like you are also a open API vendor. So I'm sure you do a lot of integrations in your daily business with a lot of different clients and customers.
Yeah.
I guess what the opportunity here is that you can really integrate products, not projects, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Actually, maybe Marcello can go a little bit more in detail, but what we have done, we decided to at least mash up 3 different APIs, one our own, one the YaaS, and also third-party application. And what you have seen here is very close to what can be a product that we can bring to the market. So again, time to market is key here.
Yeah.
Super cool.
okay. One other thing that they did, which you just didn't see, they built something which I would already call a product and integrated into 2 different tools, and they open sourced a client library on GitHub on top of that because that wasn't enough.
Yeah, yeah.
So
we also deployed a library. We named YaaS SDK. That is a library built on ECMAScript 6 and Fetch, and is something that should help developers to easily use the YaaS APIs with no worries about the HTTP calls, about authentication, but everything is packed in our SDK that can be used very easily to call your API services.
I think that's great because it shows this YaaS is a community, so everybody can contribute, everybody can use it, mash up APIs from everywhere, build something great. Don't forget to have fun. Thanks for the demo. That was
Thank you very much.
Really
Thank
amazing.
you very much.
Thanks so
Thank
much
you.
for joining
Thank
us.
you.
Thanks. Thanks, really impressive.